Imagine a world where everything is handmade. It takes hours to create a single product. Now, picture factories producing thousands of items daily. This transformation began with the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution started in the late 18th century. It brought huge changes in industry and society. The shift from manual labor to machines created new jobs and roles. Before this revolution, most work happened at home. Women often spun, wove, and crafted goods. Their labor was essential but undervalued. With factories emerging, women found new opportunities. Women began to work in textile mills and factories. Their roles expanded beyond the household. Yet, this shift also brought challenges, such as long hours and poor conditions. Now, let's discuss global trade. The Industrial Revolution fueled international markets. Goods could be produced faster and cheaper. This expanded trade networks across continents. Countries began to specialize in certain industries. For example, England led in textiles, while the United States developed machinery. This shift helped interconnected economies bloom. As production increased, so did demand for resources. Colonies provided raw materials. This exploitation highlighted inequalities in global trade. Next, let's dive into the transition from manual labor to mass production. Factories used machines to create products efficiently. Assembly lines developed during this period. These changes reduced production costs. Consumers benefited from lower prices. However, this also meant fewer artisan jobs. Many skilled workers faced unemployment or had to adapt. Today, we see the legacy of this transformation. Gender roles continue to evolve in the workplace. Women now hold leadership roles in various industries. Global trade remains impacted by these historical changes. Countries rely on each other for goods and resources. Economic policies reflect this interconnectedness. In summary, the Industrial Revolution reshaped gender roles and trade. Women started entering the workforce, gaining more independence. Global trade expanded as countries specialized and interconnected. Remember, these shifts didn't happen overnight. Understanding this history is crucial for recognizing today's economic landscape. If you found this interesting, subscribe for more insights. Let's explore the past to understand our future better.